What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shayla Love, and I was coming to show y'all my bedroom because I need help. I need some advice on what I need to do next. So let's see my really small bedroom. This is just an overview because I need pictures, y'all. I really need pictures. Y'all know I have a loft. So this is my bedroom. I got a computer chair that's gonna be moved because I'm gonna get another stand like that one, and I'm gonna paint this one. I bought this rug for $30. It go to about, I think it's a 6 or something, I don't know. And then I love pillows. Maybe they too, like, I think that it's never too many pillows for me. But I am looking for a bedding. So I'm still looking for the best one. Like, at first I said I was gonna get white, but I don't know. So this is what I got for right now until I find covers for it. My bed, I haven't put the pictures up because I want to get some pictures with like this color in there and some gold in there. But yeah, I know I showed y'all in the haul these pillows, but I just got these. And I think these was $9.99 at Walmart. This one was $12.99 at Walmart. And this one was from Ross. And this rug was from Ross for $34. And this one was, let's see the price on it. Oh, where's the price? $12.99. So that pillow was $12.99, and it's just a long pillow. I really like it. And then on my nightstand, I have my Bible. I just bought this Bible probably like a month ago. I have been writing in it and stuff because you can kind of like write in it. So I have been writing in that. And then I got this flower, and it was $7.99. Then I just have a candle. I have a knife. I just have my knife just, for extra protection because I do stay alone. I have this lamp, but this lamp is going to go in my living room, and then I'm going to get new lamps for my bedroom. And then I have another little flower right here. This is my desk that my computer sit on, but it's TV stand until, I get a TV stand, a stand for the TV. And then this is just toys and stuff. I collect Barbie dolls and stuff. So yeah, y'all, this is my room. Please, y'all, tell me, like, it's too much pictures, like too much wall to put pictures up. So that's definitely not about to happen. But I'm gonna put up a few pictures. Yeah, I need to find me a bedding. And then y'all know I had this skyline. Don't look at that. I had water damage and it was raining. Long story. But I'm going to get a rod and I'm going to put it up there. And then I'm going to give me some blush and white curtains. But yeah, y'all, this is my bedroom. So thank y'all for watching. And something else I was going to tell y'all. I will be downstairs to show y'all my downstairs really soon. This is it. No, for real. That's my upstairs. Y'all already seen that, or y'all about to get ready and see it. This is my living room, y'all. It was switched different, but yeah, I changed it around because I get bored easily. So I have high ceilings, so it's not really much I could do with as far as pictures. Like, I'm not really that into, I don't know. But on my couch, I am planning to get like a regular couch when I move, but I really don't have no space, so I'm just working with what I got. This is like where I keep my little stuff at. Let me turn on some light. My kitchen is pretty basic. I gotta do laundry. So I'm thinking I've been rearranging some stuff and taking some stuff down, so a lot of this stuff is going to change. Yeah, it's gonna change. Let me go in the bathroom. Hold on. Here's my bathroom. I want to get a rack for that, but y'all know I'm only gonna be here for about 5 or 6 more months, so it's really no point of doing anything. My cabinets, yeah, horrible mess. I just, yeah, no, can't share that. My closet, y'all, I just tried to like clean out my closet and get some stuff done around here. Yeah, I'm working with a little space. I did get like a lot of new pants since I done lost a little weight, so I got a haul on that stuff, a real small haul. And then I got these from Ross. I can't wait till y'all see these are so cute. Yeah, y'all, so if y'all like these type of videos, I'm not gonna be doing them often unless I'm moving, which will be when will I be moving? In about 5 or 6 months. So yeah. Oh, I didn't show y'all the shower. Yeah, that's the shower. I'm trying to upgrade myself, so I'm definitely gonna get like a bigger apartment, a 2-bedroom, or maybe just a bigger 1-bedroom. And yeah, I got a lot of stuff on my wish list as far as apartments, so I will keep y'all updated. Oh, I didn't show y'all my icebox and stuff. Do we show icebox? Yeah, I have a lot of frozen food. Don't y'all, I'm on a diet, but don't look at that and don't look at the pieces. But no, y'all see my meal prep, my smoothie prep. Yeah, and then I got my watermelon, a few stuff. I really don't, yeah, I don't know, y'all. And I love these, y'all. These are really good. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Oh, I didn't show y'all this closet. Whoop, that's all y'all need to see. Bye, y'all. Thank y'all for watching.